once again.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this super cool gooey slime with detergent. And you're going to be so surprised when you see, like, how did it turn out this good? And you're going to be like, it did turn out this good because it is amazing slime. So let's not waste any time and get into the video. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is a mixing bowl. Use a mixing bowl that you can clean super easily, and if it's plastic, it's going to stick to the side and you're going to have to throw away the extra slime. So keep a reusable bowl to do this. Next, you're going to need a tissue paper just in case something spills or anything like that happens. And you're going to also be needing some water, glue, and detergent. We're not going to be using activator for the slime because you don't really need activator for every slime. I'm using blue detergent, but you can use any color of detergent. And this glue, it's slime glue, but any glue is fine. And plus I'm using clear glue. If you don't use clear glue, that's okay. That's completely fine. But if you use glitter glue, you will not be needing paint. But I'm using clear glue, so I'll be needing some paint. So let's not waste any time and go into the video. First, take a mixing bowl and put half a bottle of glue. You don't need to use half a bottle. You have to put amount of glue depending on how much slime you want. So I'm gonna dump this whole can in here. See? Whee! In this mixing bowl. So now we have to add some water. Don't add too much or it'll be liquidy. Just add some to make it get a little bit more smoother as glue. And mix. So that chubbiness and that disgusting part of the glue will all go in one snap. I have all my glue mixed up with water. So it's really good. It's not that sticky, so when we make the slime, it doesn't stick on your hand too much. So what you're going to be needing next is this paint bottle. But if you do not have paint, you can use colorant. But no, most people don't have colorant, so I'm using paint. So don't put out too much. I'm just going to make it light blue. So just put one drop of paint in there. And we're going to be adding just a drop of water for the paint to be a little bit less sticky. And I'll just mix all the ingredients together. See, my bowl is blue glue, really nice. Make sure there are no lumps of the paint because I'm using acrylic paint and it always has lumps. So you have to mix super well so it's just this liquidiness. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be adding the detergent. Do not add too much detergent. Warning, do not add too much detergent. Because if you do add too much detergent, what's going to happen is it's going to get half of the slime is going to be detergent. So you're going to have less quantity than how much glue you put. So I'm only going to add a little bit of the detergent I have. This much. And then now you're going to mix. Just mix all the... You'll see it's already turning a bit into slime. So yeah. This is just keep on mixing well. The slime so far, and it's super sticky and nice, but it's still sticky on my finger, and that should not happen because then if it gets on your furniture, it's not gonna come off so easily. So I'm gonna have to mix it out a little bit. Ooh, look, I got some glue on my hand. And if you have glue on your hand, that's why I told you to get some tissue paper. It's just wipe it off. If you rinse it with water already, it's gonna try to get weird. So you should. Just wipe it with some tissue paper just for now. Even though I have some left on my hand, I'm just gonna do it for a little while. So I'm gonna continue mixing. have here, it's bubbly because I added more water. And if the more water you add, the more bubbly it's get. It's supposed to be this bubbly. Like, you see all these bubbles on the side. Because if it's too less bubbly, it's just gonna stick on this endings for like ever. It's just not gonna work. So I'm gonna continue mixing with the water. I mixed it for super long, and now it's got super stretchy, and when I touch it, it's just like not sticking on my fingers that much. So I'm going to put the video again once I get it out of this sticky container. Since our slime is ready, the last step we're going to be using is we're going to put this super sticky slime in this container. I'm putting it in a race car container because I couldn't find a container about this size. It looks so cool in this race car container. Like so like no one will notice that it's actually in here. Like, it's like a super secret spot to hide the slime. I just love touching it. It's just so soft.